guys, welcome to my workshop. I wanted to take a quick minute and share with you probably one of my most favorite hand planes that I go to all the time. I have many different planes that do different things. I've got a Japanese hand plane, I've got traditional American ones, I've got some that get right up to it, I've got a rabbit plane, I've got an old wooden block plane. But out of all those planes, the one that I always seem to go to for chamfering boards and sometimes even actually planing little boards is this little guy here. This is a Cobalt hand plane, and I purchased this a long time ago because I watched a Matthias Mondel video, and he has a little green one, and then he made a new one out of wood and used that, and I've been inspired to want to do that, but I thought maybe this is sold somewhere. So I found this in a store, and I've turned into really liking it. It's really good to grab to chamfer. It's built very sturdy, but this thing has really been a handy tool. But I'm going to show you really quickly the things you can do with this and just how beneficial this is. And this thing is under 20 bucks. Okay, so we all know hand planes, you can chamfer things most definitely with basically any hand plane, but the bigger it is, the harder it is to keep your angle. So this particular one, it's so small it just fits in the palm of your hand. It does have a little lip here if you want to put your finger there. I tend to never ever hold it that way. I've got a nice sharp edge here, and you know, just giving it a nice little chamfer, and you get a really nice fine edge. So that really did a nice chamfering and basically about rounded the whole edge over. And like I said before in the beginning of this video, you can actually, depending on how, you know, this is only about an inch wide, you know, you can't go wider than that. I've actually hand planed little boards with this thing, and it does a decent job. Okay, this is a better angle, and I've got you kind of in a little up closer. So there we go. Now, keep in mind, I said I've actually never sharpened this, so I've still got some tiny nicks in it, but this is just pine, white pine. And I've got this set rather deep because when I'm doing chamfering, I don't want to waste a lot of time. Alright, that's as far as I want to go. So it's caking off quite a bit of wood, but you can see I'm not making much effort, and obviously these, you could tell, are much thicker than what you really want them to be when you're doing something of this nature. But the fact that this thing is so small and I'm getting shavings that thick, I mean, I'm uncurling it and it's staying out, is a true testament to how good this little plane is. Just for the very little blade that it has, got a good bit of shavings off of that. So I hope that you kind of enjoyed this little video, and it's nothing much, just a real quick wanting to share my personal opinion about this thing. If you have this same plane, or you have a plane that's comparable, I'd love to know that. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. But if you have this one, let me know what you think. And also, I'm going to put a link in the description for this, so if you want to go purchase this, you can go purchase it and have it sent right to your door. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time here in my workshop.